Well, hello, Class 9, and here is your video about flags. Let's have some fun with flags. Let's look at some flags together. This is the German flag. Its colors are black, red, and yellow. But what do the colors mean? Well, it means from dark slavery through bloody battle towards golden freedom. Well, hello there, we know those colors, but this isn't the German flag. This is the flag from Belgium. The next one is the flag from Denmark. It is red and has a white cross above it. This is the Finnish flag. You should think the white stuff belongs to the flag as well. I'm not very good at copying and pasting stuff into my presentation. It is a white flag with a blue cross on it. This is the flag from Norway. It is red and it has a white cross above it, and then there's a smaller blue cross on top of it. This is the flag from France. Its colors are blue, white, and red. This is the flag from Greece. It is blue and white, and there's one cross here and a lot of stripes over here. This is a flag from Iceland. It is blue, there is a white cross on it, and then a smaller red cross above that. This is the flag from Italy. It is green, white, and red. This is the flag from Russia. It has 3 stripes. One is red, one is blue, and there's a white one over here which you cannot see. This is the flag from Sweden. You know those colors because this is how IKEA looks. The Swedish flag is blue and has a yellow cross on it. This flag is from Spain. It has 2 red stripes and a large yellow stripe in the middle. A little off center you can find this beautiful sign with a crown representing the king, 2 columns, and some kind of shield, I suppose. This is the flag from Portugal. It has a smaller green stripe and a larger red stripe. A little off center is a shield within a globe. This is a flag from Turkey. It is red and it has a white moon and a white star on it. This represents the Muslim community. This is a flag from Hungary. It has 3 stripes. This one is green, in the middle there is a white stripe, and on top there's a red stripe. This is a flag you all know. It's a flag from the United Kingdom or Great Britain. It is blue. It has white and red stripes across, and then another white and red cross on top of it. This flag even has a name. It's called the Union Jack, and it is composed of the flags of Scotland, England, and Northern Ireland. This flag is something you can see a lot when you're in the UK. People even wear them on their clothes. For instance, this is a very famous picture of a Spice Girl wearing the Union Jack as a dress. But it can also look like this. Together, most of these countries belong to the European Union, and this is a flag for Europe. Now, let's look at some flags that are special. The first one is the flag of Nepal. This is the only flag that isn't rectangular. This is what rectangular is. But it represents the Himalayan mountains and also the two main religions of the country, Buddhism and Hinduism. The next one is Switzerland. This is one of only two flags that isn't rectangular, but it's quadratic. It is red and has a white little plus sign on it. The next one is a flag from Brazil. It is green and has a yellow cube on it, and in the middle there is a circle. This is one of the only flags which has words on them. It says Ordem e Progresso, which means order and progress. The next one is a flag from Kenya. It has green, red, black, and two white stripes. And in the middle you can see a traditional shield from the Maasai warriors. The next flag is from Bhutan. It shows a beautiful dragon on yellow and orange. The dragon refers to the traditional name of the country, which is the Dragon Empire. The next flag is from Mexico. It has a green, a white, and a red stripe, and in the middle there is a picture. This picture represents an old Aztec myth. A god once told the Aztec people to settle down where an eagle eats a snake sitting on a cactus, which is located on an island. Now, let's finally look at some flags that are especially beautiful. The first one is a flag from Hong Kong. It is red and shows a white orchid flower on top of it. Next flag consists of only two colors, red and white. This is a flag from Greenland, and it shows the sun coming out or going into the ocean. The next flag is from Kazakhstan. It looks very pretty. I especially like the color. This eagle represents the kingdom of Genghis Khan. There you have a beautiful golden sun, and this shows the Silk Road, the ancient trade route from China to Europe. The last flag we have shows the red dragon or the Welsh dragon, which means that this flag is for Wales. This is, by the way, the only flag that is not represented in the Union Jack, even though Wales belongs to the UK. Thank you, Class 9, for listening and for watching, and now answer all the questions.